So we were talking about the double circulation. See, pulmonary circuit is there. This is the systemic circuit. When blood flows through heart to the here in pulmonary circuit, heart and lungs both are responsible for the blood flow, and here in systemic circuit, here is also lungs and heart are responsible. You can see pulmonary is related to lungs and systemic is related to aorta, right? So when the ventricles contract, pressure of blood inside the artery is highest termed as systolic blood pressure. We were talking about blood pressure. Blood pressure, it is about 120 mmHg. mmHg means millimeter. mmHg. Hg means mercury, right? You have seen the blood pressure machine, BP machine, that is called sphygmomanometer. Remember it, student. Please learn this spelling through the pronunciation of this word, sphygmomanometer. कभी आप wrong नहीं करोगे इसकी spelling. Otherwise, you people will write wrong spelling if you will not take concentrating here in the spelling, right? Please concentrate, learn it, revise it. It is said that healthy young men have a normal blood pressure that is 120 by 80 mmHg resembles mercury. So Hg resembles mercury. I told you before. 120 by 80. 120 is the systolic pressure and 80 is the diastolic pressure. Clear? What is contraction? What is relaxation? I told you. So blood pressure measured by the instrument, the machine or instrument, that is called sphygmomanometer. Now comes to the hypertension. Hypertension, it is caused. Hypertension, you have heard about the hypertension की problem हो गई है. क्यों होती है hypertension की problem? What is the reason behind this? So due to the constriction of the arterioles, right? Constriction of the arterioles, when arterioles or arterioles means, what is arterioles? Arteries convert into the capillary. Capillaries are called arterioles. Now fine tubes, right? Fine arteries are called arterioles, right? So when these arterioles are constrict, that result increased resistance to blood flow, and that will create the hypertension, right? When cholesterol deposited there in your blood vessels, like in artery or in veins, that blood flow will resist. So that will cause the hypertension, right? Now lymphatic system is there. Now comes to the lymphatic system. It comprises a colorless fluid, lymphatic capillaries and vessels and the lymph nodes. These are the part of the lymphatic system. Lymph, what is lymph? Lymph is a colorless fluid. It is a part of the tissue fluid, which in turn a part of blood plasma. It consists of fluid matrix. Here information I have given, like what is lymph, right? What is present in the lymph? In lymph there is white blood corpuscles or leukocytes are present, right? It lacks leukocytes but receive them as it passes through the lymph nodes. Lymph capillaries की बात हो रही है. Now lymph vessels or lymphatics, the lymph capillaries join to form lymphatic vessels. These vessels are, this is the wrong sentence, I think. It lacks leukocytes. Leukocytes are present in the lymph capillaries, right? So forget it. Just don't bother with this line. So these vessels are like veins but have comparatively thin walls and numerous valves, right? Why valves are present? For the prevention of backflow. Clear? Now lymph nodes. Lymph nodes are, what are the lymph nodes? There are, at a specific point in the lymph vessels, there are bead-like structure. Bead on a string, you have seen. Its enlargement are present there. This type of structure present on the lymph vessels, that is called lymph nodes, right? The lymph is filtered through these lymph nodes. What is the function of lymph node? The lymph is filtered through this lymph nodes, right? Lymph nodes are abundant in the region of neck, armpit and groin. Lymph nodes are अबंडेंट या बहुत ज़्यादा होते हैं कहाँ पे, नेक रीजन में, आर्मपिट में एंड ग्रोइन में. So now comes to the functions of the lymph. What are the functions of lymph? It carries carbon dioxide, nitrogen as waste, lymphocytes you know, antibodies, transports fats, destroys microorganisms and foreign particles. It carries the plasma protein, macromolecules and hormones, etc. Right? So these are the functions of the lymph. Students, please go through these notes, and if you have any problem, please, you can call me, you can message me. You are not asking your problems. I that's why I'm hoping you people are getting everything. You people are understanding everything. Hope so. So if you have any problem, please come to me and do notes and NCRT question answer of this chapter. These I have given some extra questions here, like differentiate between arteries and veins, differentiate between blood and lymph, draw the diagram of double circulation, and draw the diagram of human heart. Right? Please go through these questions. So I will send you some pictures of that book, your biology book, from where you can do this extra questions. Please read, study, and ask your problems. For all the best. Thank you.